This is a video to learn how to turn off remote diagnostic over local area network connections on Windows 11 or 10. So here, open the settings and privacy and security. Here you need to find out the developer. Here click on diagnostic and feedback. Here you can make it off. These all settings. Also you can delete. So thanks for watching.